Hey YouTube, welcome back or welcome to my channel if it's your first time. We're going to jump right into this. Right now I'm unboxing a wig from PrettyLuxHair. You get a few different items of wig cap, 2 wig caps, you get the removable adjustable strap, and inserted is the bald scalp method created by MsPreciousMarie. The material is sold by PrettyLuxHair, and you also get a little hair tie. And that's the lace. So you want to wash your hair or co-wash your hair. Here I co-washed mine and I'm about to get ready to pluck it. You want your hair to be wet. You don't necessarily have to wash it before you pluck it, but that's what I did. But you can spray a spray bottle on the hairline to make sure your hair is saturated. Alright, I'm going to start by combing back the hairline so that I can see what's going on. This hair does come pre-plucked. So I'm just going to customize it a little bit more to fit the way that I want it to look. And how I do it, my process is just kind of like starting a little bit behind the front of the hairline and then going like every other space, like skip a space every time you pluck. And also you want to make sure you comb out any plucked hairs, just so you can see where you're kind of gauge where you are as far as the plucking goes. There, I just combed some hair. That is the hair. So I'm gonna repeat, and you'll see that I removed that clip because it was in my way. So if you want to start off with a clip, you can. If you don't have to. I just kind of did it just to start this video off. Alright, and then I pluck. I went back, like so I'll go to the front and then I'll go back down just to make sure that it's all evenly distributed. Now right here, if you want to wear baby hairs, you can do this part a little bit more. So I'm separating the front of the hairline. Right behind that is where you'll start to pluck a little bit more to just to highlight the hairline a little bit more. I don't like wearing baby hairs like that, so you won't really see me doing that too much. And now you will see the finished result. You repeat that on the other side though. That's how much hair I received. Alright, now we're going to start by flat ironing, or hot combing first and then flat ironing. I'm using the Deadhead wax excuse me, wax stick to kind of sculpt or mold the hair, and to also get rid of those flyaways. Excuse me. Alright, I'm using my Infinity Pro hot comb. You do not have to use a hot comb if you don't have one. Again, this is targeted towards beginners, so you may not come equipped with all these things. So you can use any type of heat. That's my DeWayne flat iron. You can use any type of heat to lay it down, lay it flat. The back of a hot comb. The back of a flat iron, a wand curler, or just a regular curling iron. So right here I'm just flat ironing the hair, giving it a little bit of straightening because it doesn't really need to be flat iron. I'm just getting rid of the frizziness mostly. Alright, we're about to get ready to take off my old wig for the new. Take it off, baby. Alright, so I usually do this process over the sink or tub or in the shower, really. When I say in the shower, I mean I just kind of wash it out. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you a different method. I used a towel and I held my head over the towel and I sprayed it and it's gone. So you clean up that area very, very well. Once that white stuff is gone, you know you're good. Now I'm just going to go over it with some alcohol just to make sure it's all good. I did not get everything off, and that's why my install was not as I wanted it to be. Wig time, baby. Alright, we want to fix this wig, make sure it fits us good. It does not. So I have to adjust the straps in the back. I also need to insert the removable adjustable strap. Make sure you put it on right because I had messed up the first time, so I had to like redo it. You'll be able to figure it out once you start doing it, if you decide to purchase this wig or any wig with this feature. Alright, she goes on. Don't wear the wig where I just had it. Don't put your wig way down in the middle of your forehead, close to your eyebrow. That is not right. You want to pull it back as close to your hairline as possible and comb your hair. The ear is too long. Comb the hairs back so you can see how you want to do it. Now, beginners, do not cut the lace off while it's on your head. That is not suggested. Unless you feel like, you know, you're ready for that action, go right ahead, be my guest, but I would not suggest doing it. So right here, I'm about to get ready to get rid of this extra lace that's over my ears. So this is not easy. So what I want you guys to do is cut to a certain spot. Where I'm cutting right there and fitting it, stop right there. Don't cut anymore, just like I did. And then once you take the wig off to actually cut the rest of the lace off, then, you know, that's when you'll get rid of that extra piece. But don't try to do this until you're ready to do this. All right, now I'm showing you where I'm going to cut very close to the lace, to the hairline. I'm sorry. There's a child. I told you they would pop up here and there, and she popped up. That's one of them anyway. All right, and cut and cut and cut. I tried to show as much as possible on camera. That was one side. Now that's the total. You see how close I am to that? To the hairline. Now it goes back on. Make sure that strap goes on your head first, and then you pull the wig over. Again, you want to fit the wig to your hairline perfectly, because you want it to look as realistic as possible. It takes some adjusting. I couldn't really see it in the camera, that's why I did that. So I had to turn to the side. And now I want to comb back the hairs again, just so I can see that hairline. I really like the wig. Thanks, babe. He got it for me for Mother's Day, my husband. Excuse me. Alright, I'm moving the hair back on the sides with a clip, or 2 clips. Right, and I'm about to get ready to spray the Got2b freeze spray. Oh, watch this. Boop. Right in the center. So that's how you know you got a perfect center part. You want to go from the tip of the part down to the tip of your nose, and that's how you know it's perfect. Alright, I'm spraying this. You can use your finger, or you can use the end of a rat tail comb to do this part. I like to use my fingers just so I can feel what's going on. Spray it all across, and then you want to blow dry it for like 10 seconds on the cool setting. And again, you want to repeat this step. You want to make sure it gets tacky up there, so the lace will stick to it. Excuse me. All right, repeat again. We're spraying. Try and spray in the same spot. You know, just for a maximum hold. And using this free spray, your wig won't stay on that long. If you want, you could take it off the same day. I got too many kids to be removing every single day, so I keep mine on for maybe two days and then reapply. Maybe a day with a free spray on. Alright, use the end of your rat tail comb to lay that down. You see how I'm kind of rubbing it on my forehead or my head, whatever, it's on my forehead. It did not lay down. This install was not perfect because there was still a little bit of residue left on my forehead. So just keep that in mind. Make sure your area is clean. Alright, I'm spraying a little bit more on top. You can also install your wigs this way by spraying the free spray on top of your lace, by spraying it on top of right on your head. Now this band, you can get it from craft stores, Walmart. I got mine from Amazon. You can use your regular silk wrap. You want to blow dry this for about 15 minutes. And I use medium heat. Now let's take a look at what we got. Again, this is not a perfect install. You saw that? We gotta fix that. So combing it back and breaking the cast off of the front of the hairline. I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Got2b Gel right there. I did not blow dry this part right here. I just held it down while I was doing other stuff on my hairline, like combing it out. There's some more spots where I need to spray some Got2b sprayed. What's it? Free sprayed. Got2b free sprayed. Right? I'm using my hand to fan it just to kind of speed up the process a little bit. Hold down your lace when you're combing it if you notice some lifting. Clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Right? Make sure you get rid of that white look. And that ain't cool. Put the comb in the back. I didn't do that in the beginning, and you kind of don't want to do that until after your wig is in place. Really like that. Look like somebody mama. I am. I have 5 of them, so I am somebody's mama, however you say it. So I'm going back over it with my wax stick and my hot comb and my flat iron, because now it's on my head and I want to make sure that it's as flat as possible. And I don't know what happened to the color on my camera then. I kind of like the way it makes me look though. Kind of tan, more tan than normal. Alright, just make sure you get it just right. Get it the way that you want it to look on your head. Frame your face. Now I'm putting my Fit Me right in the center. Rub that in. You can also use your comb to kind of rub that in. And you want to just make sure you get any spot that needs to be filled in like I'm doing here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching. See you next time.